Everyone wants to do well. Everybody wants to alter their existence. But most people fail, not because they think they can't succeed, but because they believe that big acts are needed for big results. While they wait for the perfect time, the perfect plan, or the perfect chance, their dreams slowly fade away. But what if I told you that big jumps aren't necessary for success? What if you could make just 1% more progress every day and your whole life would change? It changed the way I think about progress, effort, and getting better. My name is Ian, and I want to tell you a story. Meet Omar. Boy Omar was like any other kid. Not good at school, not good at sports, not good at almost anything. He felt small every time he looked at other people. His friends did better in school. They ran faster and spoke better. He tried many times to change, but the stress of having to be perfect right away always broke him. He worked hard for a week and then stopped. He went to the gym for 10 days and then stopped. By day 3, he had given up on getting up early. He told himself the same thing every time he failed. He slowly began to believe it. Maybe I'm just not cut out for this. One afternoon, Omar was sitting in the backyard and felt like he had no idea what he was doing. His grandfather was sitting close and doing something with his hands. Omar took a better look. He was making a rope, putting one thin thread around another one at a time, slowly and quietly. "Grandfather, you've been sitting here for an hour and the rope is still so short," Omar said after a while of watching. "What's the point?" His grandfather kept going. He smiled and told her, "Pick up one of these threads." Omar grabbed a single thin thread and pulled on both ends. It broke right away. He agreed and told him, "Now try to break this rope." Omar put both hands on the rope and pulled hard. It wasn't broken. It didn't even stretch very far. "Omar, one thread by itself is weak," his grandfather told him. "One pull is all it takes to break. But if you slowly and carefully twist each thread over and over again, they stop being separate. They join together, and that single rope can hold a lot of weight." After a short pause, he said, "My child, your work is like these threads. One good habit makes you feel weak. One small thing doesn't seem to matter. But each day you add one more thread, study for 15 minutes longer, make a small effort, and take a small step forward. And one day you'll have made something that can't be broken without even realizing it." Those words hurt Omar a lot. He chose to try. Not to change everything at once, but every day to add one small thread. He didn't make himself study for 3 hours. He started with just 15 minutes. He added 5 minutes every day. He didn't try to run 5 kilometers that first day. Instead, he started with 5 push-ups and added 1 more every day. He didn't try to learn English all at once. Instead, he learned 5 new words every day. Things didn't seem to change at first. No one saw it. Even Omar didn't think anything was going on. It felt like his threads were too thin, too small, and moved too slowly. In 30 days, though, his 5-minute study time had grown to 2 hours. 5 push-ups turned into 50. He knew 150 new words in English. And most importantly, he felt more sure of himself. The rope was getting stronger. Months went by. Omar didn't become very smart overnight. But over time, everyone started to notice. He talked about more things in class. His body got stronger. He was more sure of himself and what he was saying. Even his teachers were shocked when he got first place in the school speech contest. "How did you change so much?" they asked. "I didn't change all at once," Omar said with a smile. "Every day I just added one small thread, and slowly, I didn't even realize it, I became unbreakable." This is the secret to being successful. You don't need to make huge jumps. You only need to take small, steady steps, one thread at a time.
It may not seem like much, but a 1% increase every day adds up. If you get 1% better every day, you'll be 37 times better in a year. Take a look. You can finish 12 to 15 books in a year if you read just 10 pages every day. People who save just $1 a day will have better savings habits in 1 year than people who wait until they get a big paycheck. Being consistent is more important than how hard you work. Doing small things every day builds up a rope that can't be broken by anything in life. If you feel like you're stuck right now, like you're a thin thread that will break when you least expect it, remember Omar's story. Do not try to make all the changes at once. Ask yourself, what's one small thing I can do today to add to the thread? Because it takes time to become great. Every day, 1% at a time, one thread at a time, one step at a time, great things are made.
And when you look back, you'll see that all those little pieces made you the strongest person you are now. I have to say that this story changed something in me, too. I used to give up on things easily in real life. They did anything, like study, make movies, or start a new habit. I always felt like I was just a thin thread, not strong enough or good enough. I stopped trying to do everything at once when I really got this thought. Every day, I began adding little threads, and little by little, I began to see real effects. That is why I chose to tell you this today. It worked for me, and I think it will work for you, too. Thanks for reading. If it made you think, please follow this channel. Every week, there will be more stories, lessons, and growth. Check out the next one.